Hello everyone, Jonathan here from TMG Games, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing how to install my TMG Camera Panel add-on for Blender 2.9x. This is the 4th of October. I have Blender 3.0 Alpha. We're going to go up to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install, go to Downloads, TMG Camera Panel.py, make sure it's the Python file, and you should see TMG Camera Tools. You can enable it, and if you're not seeing it, then possibly it jumps over to here, so just type in TMG and you should be able to find it. You'll find the panel over here in TMG Camera, and then you can select the camera and you can select your render engine and everything else. Hopefully this helps. If this doesn't work, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to do what I can to help you. As far as I know, there's no errors. So if it's not working, I'm not really quite sure why yet. But I'll try to work through it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.